Good Wednesday evening to you. Richard Scott here for the local forecast update. Got quite a bit of wet weather in the forecast. One wave of thunderstorms comes on Thursday. Next round of thunderstorms will come over the weekend. Both of those will produce quite a bit of rain across Alabama. Here's your satellite and radar as of about 10:30 on this Wednesday night. Got some rain trying to push into West Alabama. Not really a whole lot with that just yet as the upper air support kind of catches up with this moisture. I do expect a lot of rain to develop on radar. That will spread in here during the day on Thursday. In fact, some areas getting quite a bit of rain as early as lunch on Thursday. Here's our forecast model. Here's the midday hour. We'll stop things, by the way, talking about lunchtime on Thursday. Showers and thunderstorms should be pretty widespread across the western and northern half of the state. That will slowly shift eastward through time. By the evening hours, rain and thunderstorms quite heavy across central Alabama, coming to an end in west Alabama after 10 p.m. Thursday night. A couple of showers still possible Friday morning, but really after lunch, I think the chance for rain will be fairly low. Still warm, though, on Friday. Rainfall amounts for the next several days. This counts the event that's coming in on Thursday, also the event that's coming in over the weekend. Our forecast model showing a lot of rain across Alabama. We're talking about anywhere from about 2.5 inches of rain on the low end up to 4 inches on the high end. This is a rain event we need, but there could be some flooding issues in spots, especially across South Alabama. I'll show you more of that here in a second. The risk of severe weather on Thursday going to be low on the spectrum, on the scale. That's one good thing. I don't expect a big risk of severe weather on Thursday. Now, we're going to watch radar trends carefully. It's not impossible to get a severe thunderstorm warning or a tornado warning somewhere across West Alabama Thursday afternoon into Thursday night, but the risk of widespread severe weather at this point not expected. So just be weather alert Thursday afternoon into early Thursday night. For the weekend, we're watching things on Saturday into midday on Sunday. There could be a couple of rounds of showers and thunderstorms. Some of those could produce some damaging winds, perhaps some large hail, and a chance for a few spin-up tornadoes. Now, it looks like the better chance for anything severe will be closer to the Gulf Coast. In fact, some are forecast model data showing a big cluster of thunderstorms on the Gulf Coast, and that tends to limit things in terms of severe weather risk across central Alabama. Things could change, though. We're still a couple of days out. We need to watch the weekend system very carefully. There's a lot of dynamics involved here. If we get the instability for severe weather, that could increase the risk. But storms on the coast, a big cluster of storms, that would be a good thing for our local area. That would reduce the risk of anything severe for the weekend. Again, we'll watch trends very carefully. Here's your forecast. Good chance for rain Thursday. Some of that rain will be locally heavy. I don't expect a lot of flooding out of this on Thursday, but do expect some rainfall amounts of an inch or two on Thursday. Temperatures topping out in the low 70s Thursday and Friday. Couple of showers possible on Friday. Then for the weekend, a good chance for occasional rain and thunderstorms. Some of those could be strong. There could be a few becoming severe. It all depends on what is the setup on Saturday and Sunday. Do we get that instability further north, or is it going to be closer to the Gulf Coast? We'll have to watch and wait on that. Temperatures will be very warm through Saturday. Turning cooler, though, by Sunday night into Monday. Temperatures will be in the 50s, I think, by Monday, and then a bit warmer by Tuesday and Wednesday. By the way, I do want to remind you, looking out towards after Wednesday, looking out towards the end of next week, there's some evidence, some really cold air. It's been a while since we had cold air across Alabama. It does look like we should start to trend back colder into a better colder weather pattern by the time we end things next week.